Hello students, open your science textbook page number 235. So in last video we had learnt about languages, religions and different festivals of India. So students, we see in our India they are having different types of religions, but then also we are one. We are living in unity. Okay, means we have different types of religions. We are speaking different types of languages, we are celebrating different festivals, then also we are one. We are united and live together in peace and harmony. So let's see about harvest, different festivals. See, first is the harvest festival. Our country has a variety of interesting harvest festival. Harvest festival means what? जब हमारी खेती होती है उसके बाद जो फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. In Kerala, the harvest festival is celebrated as Onam. So, Onam is called harvest festival in Kerala. In Tamil Nadu, Pongal, the harvest festival is celebrated over a period of 4 days. And in Tamil Nadu, Pongal is celebrated as a harvest festival. And it is about 4 days festival. Some other harvest festivals of India are Bongali Bihu, celebrated in Assam, Sankranti in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and Baisakhi in Punjab. See students, Sankranti also celebrated in Maharashtra. Okay, after means so Sankranti is also a harvest festival. So Bongali Bihu harvest festival is celebrated in Assam. Sankranti is celebrated in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and Baisakhi in Punjab. So student, Onam, Pongal, Bongali Bihu, Sankranti and Baisakhi, these are the different harvest festival and these are celebrated in different states of India. So student, turn the page. So next is the national festivals. The three national festivals of our country are as follows. 26th January means Republic Day, 15th August means Independence Day, and 2nd October means Gandhi Jayanti. So student, these three festivals we are celebrated as national festivals. So let us see in detail about national festival. So first is a Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India framed by Constituent Assembly of India came into force and India became a sovereign democratic republic. So why this day is celebrated as a Republic Day? Because on 26 January 1950, our country got its own constitution. And after we became free and we became a sovereign democratic republic. Each year on Republic Day, the President of India takes the salute of the Army, the Navy and the Air Force in New Delhi. In the states, the governors take the salute. So, students, on 26th January, in the Delhi, our President, they are taking taking salute of the Army, Navy and the Air Force. And in the states, the salute is taken by governors. So, floats dispatching various regions and states of India proudly participates in this grand parade. This is broadcast to the entire nation on television and radio, and we can see all these parade of Republic Day on our television and we can listen in on radio also. Have you seen this parade of Republic Day on your television? No or yes? So if you are not seen, then on then coming 26 January, please see the parade of Republic Day on your television. Okay, so Republic Day is our national festival and we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January. Second is Independence Day. I think all of you know What is the date of our Independence Day? That is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August on each year. On this day, we remember the brave people who won freedom for our country from the British. On this day, we are remembering the brave people or our freedom fighter. They fought against the British and they give us freedom. Independence Day is celebrated with flag hosting ceremonies and cultural programs in the state capitals. So, in every state's capitals, Independence Day is celebrated by flag hosting ceremonies and cultural programs. The major highlight of this celebration is the Prime Minister's speech at the Red Fort in Delhi. And on this day, the Prime Minister of India, they are giving their speech at the Red Fort in Delhi. And all the school also celebrated Independence Day by organizing cultural programs and flag hosting ceremonies. So student, हम भी हमारे स्कूल में इंडिपेंडेंस डे बनाते हैं ना, और दिल्ली में रेड फोर्ट पे क्या होता है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का स्पीच होता है. सो on this day also we are also organizing different cultural programs. And why we are celebrating this day? We remembrance into the brave people. हम इस दिन को क्यों मनाते हैं? क्योंकि हम जो ब्रेव पीपल थे, जो फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे, उनको रिमेम्बर करने के लिए हम ये इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो दिस इज आवर सेकेंड नेशनल फेस्टिवल, that is Independence Day means 15th August. Next is the Gandhi Jayanti. Every year we celebrate the birth anniversary of Gandhi Ji on 2nd October. So Gandhi Jayanti is a birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi Ji. It's on 2nd October. Gandhi Ji, the father of nation, is deeply respected for his absolute belief in truth and non-violence. So who is the Mahatma Gandhi Ji? Mahatma Gandhi Ji, he is the father of our nation, and he always believe in truth and non-violence. On this day, the president and the prime minister, along with other eminent political leaders, pay homage to him at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, located in New Delhi. So where Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi located? It is in New Delhi and it's called Rajghat. And the president and the prime minister, they and other political leaders, they pay homage to him at Rajghat. Okay. So student, this is the third national festival of India, that is 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. So student, we have three national festival. First is 26th January, Republic Day. Second is 15th August, Independence Day, and third is 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. And we are celebrating all these national festival very enjoyfully. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Dash is the harvest festival of Kerala. So answer is Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Second, Dash is celebrated on 26th January every year. So Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. Independence Day is celebrated on Dash. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Fourth, Dash is the Samadhi of Gandhi Ji. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Gandhi Ji. So student, solve these question answers in your textbook and read the topic again. Complete your homework. So next point is dress and food habits that we will study in our next video. So student, read all the difficult words and read the chapter that I have taught you. Thank you students.